Hey guys, let's check out this UFO LED high bay light that I received for reviewing purposes. It comes with the instruction manuals on how to hang it on, which I think it's really nice. It comes with all the different stuff that we're gonna need to hang it up, even an extension screw to place it upon the ceiling fan. Okay, you get two sets. Okay, and this is the main unit. Okay, has this cooling design right here. This side we have the LEDs, and it's corded. Okay, so you don't have to wear it. If you want to wear it, you can do it, but I think that it makes it a little bit easier this way, which I think that it's great. Okay, I'm gonna set it up here, and in here we get another. Okay, it's a pack of two, which I think that it's really nice that you can set them up wherever you need them, and they are really nice. Okay, you can see they feel really great. And obviously they both have the screw hole where we're gonna place the hanging rod and everything. Okay, so let's go ahead and start, well, getting them ready to hang them up. So let's go. These hack bay lights uses some strong and really durable materials. The shell is made of a cast aluminum, which I think that it's really nice. And between the lamp beads board and the high transparency PC lens, you get a waterproof rubber ring. And something that I think that it's nice is that it uses some really high brightness LED chips that can be a really great replacement for any kind of 650 watts bulbs. They are really brightness, and they have a recommended installation height of around 10 to 12 feet, and they are really easy to install just using the safety wire rope, the hook, the chain that comes included, or if you got another chain that you want to use it, that's perfect. And you get the 6.6 foot plug cord, which I think that is perfect. It has a wide range of applications ranging from warehouses, factories, garage, or any kind of workshop in your house or wherever you need it. And it doesn't need any kind of additional accessories or wiring, which I think that it's perfect. Okay guys, as you can see, selling it is quite easy. You just have to hang it around when you're gonna place it. And I think that it's really nice because you can place it wherever you need it. I think that it gives a really nice cold white light that I think that's gonna be perfect for anywhere that you place it. And overall, I think that they are really nice. I love that it's a set of two, but you can get it individually, a set of fours, or however you need them. And as I've said, they are perfect to install them in your garage, in your entryway, outdoors where you're gonna need it. It has a really nice cooling system, and they are waterproof, so you don't have to worry about anything when you're placing them outside, which I think that it's really nice. And overall, as you can see, they are really nice, really easy to use. I like it a lot that you can just plug them in, and if any case you just have to wear them if you want that. But I think that that's a lot of necessary, which I think that it's perfect for a quick use wherever you need them. Overall, I think that they are really nice, and I will really recommend them. See you guys.